Okay, come on in. So first I'm going to take you guys into the hair salon. So this is our beautiful hair salon. So first, this is our manicure and pedicure station. Okay, so this time we have 3 stations each. We have 3 hair stylists as well.
Special bonus is the Pico treatment. Is that you heard of?
Yes.
It's amazing. It really cures the hair. It really treats the hair.
And we also have our Smile Spa, which we do our teeth whitening treatments inside there as well. And you can do it as a couples. And we also added on into our salon, we also added on a barber shop. So Bridget is our barber on board. Hello guys. And so Tony, this is where you're gonna come and get a nice shave. It's like a facial and a shave.
This is where I'm gonna give you a nice shave with the facial.
This is our waiting area where you wait for your treatment afterwards. Before you go into relaxing. And then I'm going to take you into our fitness center. The fitness center is open 6 in the morning until 10 at night. We have 2 fitness instructors on board. This is Bianca.
Hi, how are you?
And Renan.
Fantastic. Hello.
So like Alina just told you, the gym is open from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. And we also have classes like yoga, Pilates and spinning, which you'll see on the Navigator every day.
And the new and improved what we add on to our spa as well. It's our chill spa, which is the teenage spa. So this is the teenage chill spa. And this is where they get their massages and stuff. This is the chill spa, Tony. This is where the teenager comes in and have their massage and facials. Let me take you down to the rainforest. The rainforest is amazing. It's much amazing than the wonder and the magic. Ooh. And there are steam and sauna. And then on the other side we have our relaxing day beds and jacuzzi. You can go outside if you want to.
I thought this could be spectacular, and it sure is.
And it is. Definitely. Only any place let's park it up on the
Whoa.
And down this side is our treatment area. We also have 4 treatment rooms upstairs as well. And this is our relaxing areas. This is where you relax and wait for your treatment, and this is where your therapist will come and pick you up to take you into your treatments. Then we're going to step into our couples villas room. And this is Villa 1. Okay. And first they start off on the balcony. And then this is the relaxing day bed where they serve you fresh fruits and herbal tea.
Yes, I know. Right? Yeah. This is the couple's villa.
And then I'm going to take you into the float room. And inside the float room they do the seaweed, they put you in the float bed, and then they continue your massage afterwards.
Thank you.
And then we have like more treatment rooms. And this is our facial room where they do the different type of facials. And then another one of our float bed. But inside, this is our scrub bar. This is what they take in the rainforest, and then you can pick your different scrub to scrub inside the rainforest. And then, you know, we do the stones massage, the chocolate, and the bamboo massage, and the Thai poultice massage.
This is going to go in about a
This is another of the couples room. And then this is our beautiful spa here bar. And we do have our 2 changing rooms as well.
So like, can I come early for my kids' ball? Part of it has nothing to do with that. Yeah.
So thank you for coming on the tour, and I hope to see you when you come on the real cruise, okay?
Thank you.